1. Power up.
And off we go. Just a reminder that the scale and the switch, they're randomized at the start. So that allows teams that have robots that are clever enough to figure out what color is which to score on the switches, and both the Blue Alliance and the Red Alliance did. Blue got there a little bit sooner, so they're in a bit of a lead, but that's really a very, very small lead. That's not going to be meaningful at the end of the match. Now the Red Alliance gets early control of the scale as well. We'll see if they can hold on to it. Now the Blue Alliance certainly going to try to neutralize the scale or bring it back to blue control. Tie score right this moment. That means that the Red Alliance is going to stretch ahead because they're controlling 2 devices, 2 points per second instead of 1. 597, the helicarrier, able to put 1 cube onto the blue side of the scale, but that's not going to be adequate. 597, a little tilty back and forth as they swing back and forth. Now they're trying a different strategy. They're going to try and put cubes onto the scale on the blue side, although they missed, in order to deprive the Red Alliance of their scale. Now a power-up being exerted by the Blue Alliance. They took control of both their switch and the scale for 10 seconds. That allowed them to tie up the score here. But again, it's still advantage Red. Red's going to stretch out their lead once again. Now 65 seconds to go in this match. Penalty flags wave. When there's a penalty, it's typically 5 points. Technical penalties are 25, but a 5-point penalty immediately, once it's scored, accrues to the other alliance. So if blue gets a penalty, it goes to red and vice versa. Team 585, the Cyber Penguins and Squishy, they've had a really tough tournament here. They missed a couple of matches, had all sorts of problems, but they've been climbing up in the rankings a little bit here. A win for the Blue Alliance would really help them out, but right now Red in the lead, although not by much as we approach 30 seconds remaining. And that sound was another Blue Alliance force. That means they own both devices again. They had doubled their score previously using the power-up. And trying to close the gap there a little bit, not quite getting there. Now the last dozen seconds. 7:02 up, no, and they tip instead. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
7. And yep, Red Alliance. Expected that. And we do. All right, those teams move up 351 to 285. Again, the ranking, that number and the arrow indicates what